Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to get video game in Infinity Craft. So first, grab earth and wind to create a dust. Now, wind it to get a sense. Now, use sandstorm and sandstorm to create a dust storm. Now, combine it with a sandstorm and get a dust bowl. Now, take water and dust, create a mud. Combine them and a mud bowl. Now, combine with another mud to create a food bowl. Now, take a dust and earth to create a planet. Fire it to get a sun. Now fire the sun and get a solar. Now combine with a planet and get a system. Now fire the system into a computer. Find them and get a modern. Now combine with a football and your video games. And that's it. Bye.